So if you're on this page, you're probably looking for some kind of support, either for conception, pregnancy, or after delivery. And honestly, this phase can get very overwhelming. There's so much information outside. Everyone has their opinion on what to eat, what not to eat, what is right, what is wrong. And at some point, it becomes really confusing. What we are doing here is to just simplify this for you and guide you in a way that is actually personalized. Because Ayurveda sees this whole journey very differently. In modern medical science, it's mostly trimester wise, like all the scans and the precautions and the tests. But in Ayurveda, we see it month by month. Understanding that what is developing in the baby, what is it that it actually needs from the mother. For example, in certain months, the heart is developing more actively. So the kind of food, nutrition or the herbs for that month are very different from other months. And at the same time, the need for the mother's body or the symptoms in the mother's body is also different for the month. So that is how we go about it. So instead of a general advice, you received a personalized guidance on what to eat, what to avoid, what kind of routine to follow, using what oils to do abhyanga. And this is based on your prakriti, which is, are you more vata, pitta, kapha, or a combination? So it's not a generic plan. Now depending upon where you are, suppose if you are trying to conceive, so we help you prepare the body, improve the quality of the sperm and the ovum, and make small but very powerful changes that lead to a healthy conception. If you're already pregnant, then you receive month by month support all the way till delivery and even after that. And the postpartum is the time where we can help with the recovery, rejuvenation, strength, even lactation, what oils you can use to massage your baby, when is the right time, all these things. Now along with Ayurveda, if you feel the need for more structured nutrition support, you can always opt for that. Maitri have a nutritionist who can create a proper diet plan for you, keeping Ayurveda's do's and don'ts in mind, but also including the supplements wherever required. And one more very important thing, for those of you who are living outside India, getting access to a gynecologist can be really difficult. So here we have in Maitri an OBGYN who you can clarify your doubts with, ask questions without that stress. And all of these experts, whether it is yoga, Ayurveda, nutritionist or OBGYN, you don't have to access them all separately. You become a part of the community where all these 4 experts are present, and whenever you have a question, you can simply ask and get the right guidance. We also have pranayama and meditation sessions for the community twice every month, where you can practice together with all the mothers or mothers-to-be and ask the questions at the end of the session. If this resonates with you, you can fill the form below and I'll personally connect with you to guide you further. Namaskaram.